Well, I'm Federico Tebaldi. I'm energy manager of Team and FiberCop. FiberCop is the net company recently sold to KKR fund, American fund. And we're talking about 2,000 gigawatt hour for years of energy consumption for network operation, for office, street equipments, for base station mobile. And this is a complexity, a real complexity for us, but is also an opportunity in order to make energy efficiency and to obtain government incentives like energy efficiency certificates, not only, but energy efficiency certificates. When, we are not a manufacturing industry, we are a service company, and our output is a terabyte, is a data traffic. Then how can we make efficiency? We can make efficiency by a technological jump. We can make efficiency by switching from copper to fiber, and for the fixed network. For the mobile network, by switching to 3G, from 3G to 5G. Doing this with the same consumption or little more energy consumption, we can transmit more and more data information, then more and more terabyte. This is a real efficiency for a TLC provider. So we started in 2020 an important project based on the ratio between energy consumption and megawatt hour and terabyte data traffic, transported data traffic, using this ratio like an energy efficiency indicator. Even if naturally the data traffic increase in these years, we have to make a real network development action to report the saving. And this is the timeline, the timeline to arrive at the project approval from GSE. GSE is our Italian government agency about energy efficiency certificates, not only energy efficiency certificates, but in this case, GSE is our our supplier about this. We can see two important moments during 2020. The project submission in the summer, the first cycle on the left, and the integration required by GSE, the agency, submission before the winter, the second circle. And also for the fixed network, also the re-exam submission at the end of 2022. 2 years to prepare the baseline, to prepare, to align all business process for the complexity of our company, and to align the information flow, and we start to reporting to GSE the first saving in 2023. It was a long way, not my English improvement, but like we report every 3 months, and the saving of 2023 with the saving with 2023 we obtain more than 35,000 energy efficiency certificates we received. the life of this project is 5 years. Okay, and it will end in 2027. About MNV solution, allora, involved in the project are more than 6,000 central office and about less than more 5,000 BTS base station mobile. And we have identified 3 climate zones for the fixed network and 6 different access network configuration, and then 18 clusters. And each cluster, for each cluster, we raised the outlier values to have a good statistic indicator, and we have constructed 18 regression curve with specific consumption. Below there is the algorithm with which we compare the specific consumption, the ratio before the energy efficiency and after. TEP is the ton oil equivalent. Well, MNV, we have to measure the energy consumption and the data traffic. About for each site, we use the C option. It's necessary use the C option of EPMVP. For each site, we measure with point of delivery the energy consumption, and naturally the supplier ensure the correct functioning of meters. And for the data traffic, we use the counters on the optical device interface. Yes. MNV for the verify, this is a typical regression curve. We have 18 regression curve for the fixed network project, and it's important to say for me that the comparison before, after, and before for each site is with the destination cluster after the technological improvement. This has a good impact for energy efficiency certificates achievable. Okay, is necessary for a complex company like our, is necessary to prove the real investment. And to prove the real investment, for example, we must have all documentary support in case of agency checks. For example, the transport document or document of transport, invoices. We have to have the support in the case. In case of losing data, traffic data, energy consumption data from the data of the suppliers of energy, we can rebuild only a few days missing. Then it's necessary to have a reliable data flow inside the company. Only with the network development we can reporting saving and obtain energy efficiency certificates, and then we must stimulate network development. And all we know that the bad behaviors increase the energy consumption to the point when rising a good rising awareness among the workers is necessary. To conclusion for this project is a real challenge for us, the biggest project ever approved by GSE. The government's attention is a good signal towards technological jump required by TLC provider. Also for ESG target and national energy target. Thank you.